In this 1-minute example, we search for routes using Prolog. First, we define connections between nodes using the predicate route. For example, route from 1 to 2, from 1 to 3, from 2 to 4, and so on. These facts describe a small graph. Next, the program starts with the predicate run. It begins the search from node 1, and the initial route list contains only node 1. When the search reaches node 6, the program prints the route. Otherwise, Prolog looks for the next possible node using the route predicate. Before moving forward, the program checks that the node has not already been visited. This prevents infinite loops. If the node is new, the program calls solve again recursively, adding the new node to the route list. Because Prolog automatically performs backtracking, the program explores all possible paths from node 1 to node 6. This small program nicely demonstrates recursion, graph search, and the power of declarative programming in Prolog.